Do you know what it takes to fully connect with yourself? And do you remember the tips and steps I gave you to really find connection with you? Hi, my name is Nora, and in today's video, I'll go through all the steps in how, and there are 5 steps where I explain to you and I talk to you in the several videos, like a small summary on how to truly connect with yourself. Thanks for watching. If you didn't already subscribe, please subscribe. And give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Yes? Let's start. The first one was also the first video I ever gave about the secrets that I kept for myself a long time, but I wanted to share it with you so you really also can connect with yourself and truly start loving yourself by first accepting yourself for who you are. Then you can connect with yourself and your body. And third of all, really love yourself for who you are. In my first video, I talked about truly standing in front of the mirror every single day and looking into your own eyes. As they say that eyes and looking through somebody's eyes is looking into their soul. So in the first video, and the first step was look in the mirror in your own eyes and tell me what you see. My second video, I talked about the importance of your body. And it's not only your eyes, what you see every morning or every day or when you stand in front of the mirror, but also your body. And how can you connect with your body? So I talked about standing in front of the mirror. There's a second step. Standing in front of the mirror naked, as you can remember. And touching your body, looking at it, seeing it as it is, not less than it is. You can see it more than it is, but you don't need to. You can just look at it and see it as it is. And what does it do to you? What do you see? What do you feel with your hands when you go through your body from top to toe, from head to toe? I'm Dutch, so I sometimes take Dutch things and put it in English, but that's not correct. So from head to toe, I meant. And the third video was about words, how powerful words can be. What are you telling yourself? What are you hearing that people are telling you about you? And what does it do to you? So in the first step, I said, when you hear words, what does it do to you? How do you think? What are you telling you? What kind of words do you use every single day, throughout the day, telling yourself? The fourth one was about energy. What kind of energy do you give to the world? By what you're thinking about yourself, and but what are you thinking about the world? From what glasses are you looking into the world? And what do you think of yourself? What do you tell yourself? What do you feel about yourself and that energy that you have about you? You give to the world so they see you through your eyes. And if you feel you're not good enough, they will feel that too of you. And do you want that? Is that what you're looking for? So the fourth step was energy. What kind of energy do you give to the world? The fifth one, this is a new one I didn't talk about. I'm gonna add it right now in it. It's about becoming your best friend. Why? Why am I telling you this? As I said several times, it starts with you. Who you are, what you think, what kind of words you use, what do you see in the mirror, what kind of person you are. Do you want to connect with you? Becoming your best friend actually helps you not needing to try to fill the emptiness inside you through other people. Because you already have a friend for life, if you want it or not. But you have already somebody you can trust, you can love, you can hate. You can talk to, you can touch, you can tell anything to, and keep the secrets you want to keep secret. And that's you. If you become your best friend, then connecting with the world is going to be so much easier, because you will not clamp yourself on other people. You will not be dependent on other people. You'll not be addicted or stalking people, because you can also be okay with you. So you can enjoy the me time, like one-on-one time with yourself. So you can erase loneliness. You can get rid of negativity around yourself, because you really have found somebody you can share things with, and things that nobody else knows about you, because you already know everything about yourself, even the tough things that you actually don't want to talk about with a good friend or family member. You can talk with yourself. You can tell yourself, you can write it down and read it, and then burn the paper. So nobody knows, only you know, and you, because you're your best friend. It sounds maybe weird that you maybe can talk with yourself or write letters to you, but believe me, it will relieve you. It will give you such an amazing energy. It will give you such an amazing feeling about yourself, to move on, and to go and go and go and succeed in whatever you do, especially connections, especially relationships. Because if you don't cherish, appreciate, work on the relationship with yourself, how can you ever expect the relationship you're having with somebody else to work? How do you expect that somebody else can appreciate you if you are only dependent, only sucking their energy out of their bodies? But if you are full of energy, because you have love, connection, acceptance of who you truly are, then you can give energy, give strength, give love, accept more people for who they are, because you did that to you and with you. Think about that. Do you agree with me? Because you're okay with not agreeing with me. I don't mind. But I'm telling you something, it works for me. I really truly can accept you because I accept myself for who I am. I'm not jealous of people because I'm not jealous. I can proudly look in the mirror and tell myself, I'm perfect with my imperfections. And I love me for who I am. First of all, I accept me for who I am. Believe me, and I'm not perfect. I really connect with myself, with my eyes, with my body. And I do love myself. And I wish you the same energy, the same love, the same acceptance. So you go only further in your life and succeed. Reach your true goals. Because you're not struggling with you, in who you are. Try it. Try what I'm telling you. Give it a try. You don't have anything to lose. You only gain knowledge. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. And comment if you want. And share my videos to somebody you maybe think needs to hear this. That you think, hey, that's a great person, but they don't see it themselves. So if you know anybody who really needs to hear my message and to see my videos on self-connection, acceptance, and love, please share. You don't have anything to lose. You only gain more friends. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I see you here. Bye.